up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Adventurers! Now let's explore a 5-hectare tropical paradise.
Let's go!
Now, after spending 3 days and 2 nights here in Port Barton, it's time to go to our next destination. You can actually reserve a seat beforehand. Make sure to check the description box down below. The van transfer costs 300 pesos per person. After 1.5 hours, now we have just arrived at Astoria Palawan. We have a refreshing tropical drink for refreshment and mini rice cake, or what they call here in the Philippines, bibingka. Now let's listen to a short orientation. At the Annex Building ground floor, we have a gym open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. The spa open from 12 noon to 10 p.m. Reserve Restaurant. This is our main restaurant where you can avail your breakfast buffet from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. They offer a la carte for lunch and dinner buffet. Infinity Pool. They also have a drying area and they have fire dancers and live band every night.
Kindly look for me lang po. This is Bird. My name is Bird. Ano po?
We'll be staying here for 3 days and 2 nights. Now let's check out the room. Let's do a room tour. This is a superior room, so you either get 1 king size or 2 queen size bed. We have flat screen TV, kitchenette, cute mom, safety deposit box, vanity dresser, slippers, and weighing scale. And this is the bathroom. We have a modern shower and bathtub, and we have complete bathroom amenities. So outside, they have a mini golf course and a recreational area which features a game room and a karaoke room.
Karaoke natin, ma'am, is by reservation.
Reserve na tayo dyan. Tayo pa ba? This 5-hectare property features activities you can enjoy free of charge. You heard that right?
Kayaking, saka stand-up paddle boarding. Premier po ito.
Now it's time to relax and eat. We ordered 4 cheese pizza, mango shake, calamansi juice. Now sit back and relax, for tomorrow's gonna be more exciting. Stay tuned! Now it's 7 p.m. It's time to watch the fire dance show! And of course, have our dinner because we love food. Now, on to our 3rd day in Astoria, Palawan. For sure, this one right here is already hungry. Now, let's have our breakfast. We have croissants, pastries, you know, carbs on carbs on carbs! Egg station for some gains, brother. Love the food, love the view. On to our second plate and dessert for breakfast. Yeah, you heard me right.
A few inches later.
Adventurous, so we're now at the beachfront area. This is where you can borrow kayak, paddleboard, and at the back, they have off-road bikes.
Eventually,
Time for action. Failed!
Do it! Just do it!
This is the moment of success and victory! Failed miserably! Ba yan? Nalaglag. This is the moment I was talking about a while ago. Now let's go and check out their souvenir shop. Now off we go to experience Puerto Princesa's first and only water park. For the entrance fee, it costs 1,200 for adults and 950 for kids. That includes a lunch buffet. They also have cabana rentals, locker, and towels. Welcome to Palawan Waterpark. Serves up pool. Now let's try St. Paul River Ride.
a few inches later.
Para pumunta doon.
Mami, tulak mo pagpag...
One eternity later.
Time to conquer the velocity slide.
Baba mo, nakaupo ka pa din. Tatayo ka lang. Tatayo ka lang pag nalaglag ka na.
Now, let's go for something more challenging with a lot of twists and turns. Let's try the vortex slide! Tumbling Bucket Zone, aka the Kid Zone. Marine Sanctuary. This part of the water park showcases stunning sculptures of Palawan's endemic fauna. Statues of crocodile, endangered dugong, and blue whale are sure to make splashing around an even more interesting experience. Batak Misters, inspired from the Batak tribe of northeastern Palawan, enjoy getting sprayed with water as you pass from one pillar to another.
Panghugas ng puwet. I'm sure you're hungry. So for snacks, we have buffalo wings, Monte Cristo sandwich. Hey, hey, hey! Please subscribe for more ventures!